Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix money holds in PayPal. We will first understand the common reasons why PayPal places holds on funds, which is crucial for any seller. Then, you will learn proactive strategies to prevent future holds on your account, ensuring smoother transactions. Finally, I will guide you through the specific steps to efficiently resolve any existing money holds, helping you access your funds faster and with less hassle. This guide aims to empower you with the knowledge to manage your PayPal funds effectively. PayPal often places holds on funds for several important reasons, primarily to ensure transaction security and buyer protection. New seller accounts, for instance, commonly experience holds for up to 21 days as a standard procedure. High-value items or unusual sales patterns can also trigger a security review, leading to a temporary hold. Furthermore, if a buyer initiates a dispute or chargeback, your funds will be held until the issue is resolved. Shipping delays or a lack of proper tracking information can also cause these holds, so diligence is key. To get your funds released from a hold, there are several effective steps you can take. First, always provide valid tracking information for shipped items. This can often expedite the release within 24 hours of delivery confirmation. For services or digital goods, mark them as processed or shipped within your PayPal account. Communicating directly with the buyer to confirm receipt can also help. Finally, respond promptly to any requests for additional information from PayPal's Resolution Center to speed up the process. Preventing future holds is key to a smooth selling experience. Always use shipping services that include tracking, and make sure to upload this information to PayPal immediately. Maintaining excellent buyer communication and resolving any issues quickly will help you avoid disputes. Building a positive selling history with a consistent record of successful transactions is also vital. Offering a clear return policy can enhance buyer confidence, significantly reducing claims and potential holds on your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.